I'm back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, we just make a simple salad. Sun-dried tomato salad. It's an amazing recipe, guys. I know you can do this one at home also for the family. It's very easy recipe. So thank you so much for watching this show. We got a lot more ideas, tips, and recipe coming your way. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Watch the video. It's a very important video. And it is coming up to winter and a lot of people want to eat healthy. This coming really handy for you. Enjoy it. And you don't have to put it with dressing. It's already up dressing with lemon juice to cut back certain things. Enjoy the recipe, guys, and remember to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, on Facebook, and the Google Plus page. Where there. I love it. Welcome back with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Anyway, today we want to do a 5-bean salad right here. I'm gonna show you how things run. Anyway, first thing I want to simply say to you, I got some iceberg lettuce. I just simply cut up the iceberg lettuce, wash it off, and cut it up very small, and I'm gonna put it straight inside of my bowl like this. So that's the iceberg lettuce, and we all know iceberg lettuce, guys. Alright, love it. Then right over here I have some spinach, roughly less than a handful. I'm gonna put that straight inside of it also. This is some green pepper which I have left over. I'm just gonna cut it up and put it also inside of it. 1 large tomato. Straight inside of it like that. Nice one. Just a piece of cucumber, not too much. Lovely and nice. Little bit of lemon juice. Just a little bit of lemon juice, not too much neither. Fresh coriander. Let's break it up. Nice one. Little bit of coarse pepper. And this is the 5-bean salad I have left over. I'm just gonna simply scrape it in like that. This is some sun-dried tomato. You can get this in the local shop or supermarket to buy. I'm gonna put some of that inside of it also. So basically, grab out a few of it. Get the oil. Really nice. Sun-dried tomato is really nice. You can do a lot of stuff with it. If you are perfect, you love it. Alright? And simple. Give it a stir. And it's a simple little salad like this where you guys can have at home. Really nice. Simple, get in a big bowl. And that's simple. Scrape it out just like this. Look at that, beautiful. And as you can see, nothing too complicated. Very easy and simple to make at home. Oh my days, look at that. You see, well, exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. You know what I mean? This is just an easy, simple little salad recipe, guys. You can make that at home. Very easy and simple. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my show. And this is a sun-dried tomato salad with some beans and also tomato, cucumber, and some lemon juice with spinach. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.